Wala.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laz. And for today's vlog, apas ko sa kong parents sa Malungon, which is before siya sa Jensan, and ano sa ng orasa? So 1:42 na guys sa hapon. And ang travel time is, kung gika ka sa Davao, is 5 hours daw. Nya karon naman ko sa Tagum. So dublihon, charot. So 1 hour lang pa Davao. O ubani ko ninyo para may balaan na to kung makaabot ba ko dito before New Year's, no? New Year's Eve. So let's go. Let's go.
Wala.
Luckily, walay na. What's up guys? So, just got here in Davao City and it's already 4. Then, magsulap sa ako van or bus pa ato Malungon. And, makaabot na dito guys. So, see you later. So, kapag-abot ko van or bus, pero kaya sa nag-abot direct kay Tatanong guys. Then, lisod siya makasakay. I don't wanna sleep sa whole duration of travel, but kasi malapas ko guys, so pero biyak ko naman. Yeah, so laban lang tayo. So guys, it is already 4:41 p.m. and I'm planning to ride some patigos. I'm so tired waiting for Jensen's bus or bus. So I'm planning to ride na lang the patigos if ever wala pa yung Jensen. What's up guys? So today I'm planning to ride a van going to Igos because it's already 4:42 na. I don't think makahabol pa ko. So yeah, I'm gonna stop for a while sa Igos and mag-usap kita some food. See you later! Hey guys, gamay na kayo mitire guys. What's up guys? So today, pag-awas may Davao. We're on our way to Igos. So I'd rather sakay o van pag Igos kesa mag-stand sa bus na bago dyan sa Maron. And awa na to karon nga kay alas 4 na siya guys. Let's go! abot na dito. Dapat 11:59. Before 11:59. So, laban. Laban pa. Later. Hey everyone! Welcome back and karon nakaabot na dyan ko sa tita, which is literally mag-celebrate o New Year with a bang. So, time check, it is already 7:27 in the evening. And ngayon, papalabag tayo sa charot. And, nako'y bantayan ng baby after dinner. Kani, akong bantayan ng isa ka baby. Hindi siya makitan guys, kinakalak. So, see you later, alligator. Hey guys, so what's up? Namin dali ka rin sa malunong, magpagitog pabuto. And I'm choosing Lucy over Sparkle. So I'm with my cousins. We're here in Malungon. Malitog pabuto. So mag-Lucy's me instead of mag-pop-up. Hey everybody! It's already 12 o'clock in the morning. And good morning guys! Happy New Year! So, I made it before New Year's Eve. So, yeah. Happy New Year everyone!